Making okpa for the first time in my life wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. Now, this is one of those things that have taught me that experience is the best teacher. Now, you want to watch this video to the end, rate me, tell me what you think about the okpa that I made, if I tried or not. Mind you, this is actually the first time I'm doing okpa in my whole life. And after this particular one, I learned my lessons and then I did it again, which I'm going to post very soon. And I need you to turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified when I post it. I schooled in eastern Nigeria, Enugu to be precise, and Okpa is actually a very, very big deal over there. Okpa is one thing you always find on the street whenever you come out. Okpa, like in the morning, everybody's eating Okpa, in the afternoon, they're eating Okpa, in the evening, they're eating Okpa. Okpa and Coke was a very big deal. Funny enough, I never liked it. And I don't even think in my years of staying there, I don't think I ate okpa more than twice. First time I tried it, I was like, what is it about this thing now? Why are they eating it? It's not sweet. Unlike moi moi, in as much as I don't like okpa, I decided to make it for my family because it is not a rampant food over here. It is not something unlike Enugu that you have it everywhere. Here, it is not like that. In fact, a lot of persons do not even know okpa. So I decided to like give them this the same way I decided to just cook ofe aku, which is also a very, very popular meal over there. You know, there are some things that are popular over there. If you've never been to Enugu before, Enugu in Nigeria, you should plan on visiting Enugu. They have nice foods that you can try. So some of those foods that I never tried while I was there because I never liked them. One of them was ukwa. Yes, okwa is like one of the richest food they have over there. They value this particular meal so much, but for some reasons I never tasted it. Maybe because I don't just like the way it looks, like I don't like how it is, and because of that I never ever tasted it. And then okpa is the second thing that I never liked, although I tasted okpa like twice or thereabouts. So today I decided I was going to make okpa for my people here because I want them to have a taste of what they eat over there. So I decided to go to the market, and because it's something I've not done before and I'm doing it for the first time, I decided to try with just 2 cups of okpa. So I thought initially that they sell the flour in the market, but when I got to the market I told them I wanted to buy okpa flour. They told me no, they don't sell okpa flour, that I'll have to buy the seed and then blend it by myself. So that's what I did. So I got okpa seed. I got two of it. Two of it was 800 naira here. So I got two okpa seeds. I think that is Bambara seed. You can correct me in the comment section if that's not what it's called. So I also bought crayfish. I bought uziza seed. I bought Cameroon pepper. I bought fresh pepper. The total money I spent to make my okpa is 1,800 naira. 1,800 naira. That's not too much. Just 1,800 naira. I made okpa and I think I ended up getting about 8 or 10 pieces of okpa from 1,800 naira. So this is just me preparing my everything, and I made a lot of mistakes while cooking this meal anyways, which I didn't really flog myself too much for because it was my first time. Like, it's my first time doing it. You guys are going to watch to a point where I had to pour my okpa inside the mortar. I had to pour my mixed okpa inside the mortar, and I used my mortar to do the work. Just keep watching. I know this whole thing I'm doing may seem so funny to some persons, especially people from the Nsukka or Enugu part of Nigeria, but then it's my first time trying it out, so do not blame me too much. The mistake I made, okay, you get to watch it by yourself. Now, you guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that, okay? Click on that subscribe button, like this video, drop comments in the comment section. Tell me what you think about my okpa. Tell me in the comment section. Like this video and share it out as well. Next okpa that I did not use my hand. Like, oh my god, if you watch that video, you'll fall in love with making okpa and you will want to make it. So you want to turn on your post notification bell, like I said, and then you get ready to watch that video when it comes. Now, this is where I made the mistake with this particular batch of okpa, right? My water, the water that I introduced into the okpa mixture, was hot. The water is hot and it is not supposed to be this hot. Now, because it is hot, I ended up having a lumpy okpa. So me using my hand, I tried using my hand to dissolve, but it wasn't forthcoming. So I kept on doing it and doing it, but it wasn't forthcoming. Guys, at this point, look at the lumps now, look at what I have. At this point, I had to pour it inside my mortar because I don't really want that stress. So I had to pour it inside my mortar, and what I would have done actually was to put it in the blender and blend it, right? But there was no light as at when I was making this video, so I had to pour it inside mortar and I used my pestle to mix everything. I don't know if this is like, I don't know if anybody watching this video has ever done something like this. If this is something people do let me know in the comment section. All the videos I've seen about how to make okpa, I never saw anybody do theirs in mortar, so I don't know if I'm the first person to try this out. But then it actually worked because all the lumps were dissolved. So I just decided to mix everything in the mortar. Added my pepper mix, that is pepper, uziza seed, and crayfish. Added my pepper seed. I added my Cameroon pepper, of which this Cameroon pepper I wouldn't have added it, but because the video I watched, I saw them add Cameroon pepper. That was why I had to buy Cameroon pepper and I added it. By the time I finished cooking this okpa, it was too spicy for my liking. So I just felt like there was no need. The next one I did not add Cameroon pepper to it. So I'm using firewood to cook this, okay? Yeah, I'm using firewood to cook this. This is what I have. I'm just going to shake it and then put in the boiling water, shake it and put in the boiling water, and that is how I will cook my okpa. So guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, if you haven't subscribed to this channel up until now, go ahead and do it, like this video and all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.